Hi, myself Ankit Kumar, a mathematics educator with a strong background in teaching JEE Mains level student and international curriculum like IB, AP, A-level and IGSC. I scored 94 percentile in JEE Mains and achieved a qualifying score in JEE, which gives me a deep understanding of competitive level of examination. I have provided offline tuition of JEE level student and also ran a YouTube online channel. I also done my internship in AIML, allowing me to integrate technology-driven teaching method into my session. So today's topic is Rolle's theorem. Let's we start Rolle's theorem. Okay. What do you know about this Rolle's theorem? Rolle's theorem states that if A B if function is lying between a comma b close bracket is continuous. Okay. Second condition, function is a comma b open bracket differentiable. And third condition, function is value of function f a equal to f b where f dash c equal to 0. All three conditions satisfied, then Rolle's theorem is applicable. Okay. Uh, Here algebraic interpretation is first point is let fx be a polynomial function with fa equal to fb equal to 0. It means its roots. Okay. Now second point, between any two roots of a polynomial fx, there is always a root of f dash x. Okay. Uh, Here condition is, first condition is fx is continuous. Fx is continuous a comma b in close bracket. Second condition is fx is differentiable in a comma b open bracket. And third condition is value of function fa equal to fb where c belonging to open bracket a comma b with respect to f dash c equal to 0. This is a Rolle's theorem condition. Uh, for example, let's we solve with some problem. Here first question is verify Rolle's theorem for the function fx equal to 2x cube plus x square plus 4x minus 2 where x lying between root 2 and less than equal to minus 1 by 2. X lying between minus 1 by 2, comma, root 2. Uh, First your you fx equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 4x minus 2. Okay. First we check function is continuous in minus 1 by 2 to root 2. Yes, function is continuous because fx is continuous because this is a polynomial function. Polynomial function. So x belong minus 1 by 2 to root 2. Fx is continuous in minus 1 by 2 comma root 2. First condition satisfied. Now check second condition. Fx is differentiable or not. Fx is in fx differentiable. Minus 1 by 2 to root 2. Uh, yeah, third condition satisfied. Because fx is differentiable. When you differentiate f dash x, it will become 6x square plus 2x minus 4. This also gives a polynomial function and there is no problem in minus 1 by 2 to root 2. So second condition is also satisfied. Now check third condition. Value of fa equal to fb is equal. If this equal, now check f minus 1 by 2. So 2 into minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. This will give 0. Now check f equal to root 2. So we put the value 2 into root 2 power 3 plus root 2 power square minus 4 root 2 minus 2. This will also give f 0. So value of f minus 1 by 2 equal to f root 2. This will give 0. Okay. So first condition, second and third condition check satisfied. Now we check f dash c equal to 0. So f dash c equal to 0. Now we check c is lying between minus 1 by 2 to root 2. If it is lying between minus 1 by 2 to root 2, then Rolle's theorem is applicable. If not, then not applicable. So f dash c equal to 0. So it will become 6c square plus 2c minus 4. So value of c comes minus 1 comma 2 by 3. And c is lying between minus 1 by 2 to root 2. So c equal to 2 by 3 is the value. C equal to 2 by 3 comes in minus 1 by 2 to root 2. But c equal to minus 1 not comes. Yeah. Thus, so, so we get at least one c मतलब at least one root lying between c comma minus 1 by 2 to root 2. So Rolle's theorem finally applicable. So we get at least 1c equal to 2 by 3 where minus 1 by 2 to root 2. Thus, Rolle's theorem is applicable. Now we move on to second problem. Question says, are all the condition of Rolle's theorem satisfied for the function fx equal to mod x in the interval minus 1 comma 1? Okay, so function is given is fx equal to mod x. Okay, and it says x belong to minus 1 to 1. Okay, first we check continuity. Fx is continuous or not? Minus 1 to 1. So we check limit x x we check continuity at point 0. This is a left hand continuity, left hand limit. This will give 0. And right hand limit, this will also give 0. And value of function f0. This will also give, yeah, function is continuous at x equal to 0. First condition is satisfied. Now we check second condition. Now we check second condition. Function is differentiable or not? So we know the graph of fx equal to mod x. This will become as this way. Okay, this is minus 1, this is 0, this is 1. Look, there is a sharp edge at point 0. When in graph there is a sharp edge, sharp point, then this will not differentiable. Then differentiable is not possible. At 0, not possible. So fx is not differentiable at x equal to 0. And this point x equal to 0 in between minus 1 to 1. Second condition is not satisfied. Third condition satisfy f minus 1 will give 1, f1 give 1. Third condition value of fa equal to fb is set. But Rolle's theorem says that for function is continuous in a close bracket a comma b. Second condition, function is differentiable in open bracket minus 1 comma 1. And third condition, value of function f a equal to f b where f dash c equal to 0, c belonging to a comma b. Here second condition is not satisfied, so Rolle's theorem is Not applicable. Yes. Okay. Now we move on to third problem. Yeah. Your question says using Rolle's theorem so that on the graph y equal to x square 4x plus 3. There is a point between 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0 where the tangent is parallel to x axis. Also find that point. Okay. So function is given x square plus 4x plus 3. Uh, f dash x, we have to find f dash x. This will help in 2x plus 4. According to Rolle's theorem, first condition is function is continuous or not. So we check function is continuous. Uh, okay. Here is a function is all continuous because 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Function is continuous. Second, only we have to find a point. There is a point between 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0 where tangent is parallel to x axis. Also find that point. Second condition is function is differentiable or not. So function is, yeah, function is differentiable. This is polynomial function. So function is differentiable at all point between 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Now check third point. Value of function f a equal to fb, f1 equal to f3. This will give also 0. By geometric meaning of Rolle's theorem, there will be at least one point c comma fc between a and b. Yeah. So f dash c equal to 0. It will give 2c minus 4 equal to 0. This c equal to 2. Okay. And c equal to 2. Let me find f2. f2 equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3 equal to minus 1. So hence required point is 2 comma minus 1. Okay. So here is a function y equal to x square plus 4x plus 3. We further differentiate f dash x equal to x plus 4. Function is continuous because this is a polynomial function in 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Second function is differentiable at all point between 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Okay, value of function is third condition, value of function f1 equal to f3. F1 equal to f3, they will be equal to 0, and we know that f dash c equal to 0, so we find f dash c equal to 0. There is a c equal to 2. C equal to 2 is lying between 1 comma 0 and 3, 1 and 3. C equal to 2 lying between 1 and 3. So, and we have to find value of fc. So fc equal to f2. F2 equal to 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Then it will give minus 1. So required point is 2 comma minus 1 is lying between 1 comma 0 and 3 comma 0. Okay. Now we'll go to next problem. Yeah, your fourth problem is the function fx equal to x into x plus 3 into e की power minus 1 by 2 x satisfy all the condition of Rolle's theorem in minus 3 comma 0. The value of c is, okay, so your function is given x, x plus 3, e की power minus 1 by 2 x. Yeah, Rolle's theorem condition satisfied. It means function is continuous in minus 3 comma 0. Second, function is differentiable in minus 3 comma 0. Third condition, f minus 3 equal to f0. Third condition, here f dash c equal to 0. You have to check f dash equal to 0. So here f dash x equal to x square plus 3x e power minus 1 by 2 x into minus 1 by 2 plus 2x plus 3 e की power minus 1 by 2 x. So here final when we common, then it will become minus 1 by 2 e की power minus 1 by 2 x bracket x square minus x minus 6. So f dash c equal to 0. So c square minus c minus 6 equal to 0. So c will become 3 comma minus 2. 3 is not lying between minus 3 comma 0, but minus 2 is lying between minus 3 comma 0. C equal to minus 2. So value of c is minus 2. Yeah, now we move on to next problem. This is your fifth problem. If Rolle's theorem is applicable to the function fx equal to ln x upon x, where x greater than 0, lying in the interval a comma b, where a and b are the integer, then value of a square plus b square can be. Okay, so first condition, fx is continuous in a comma b. It will satisfy. Second condition, fx is differentiable. Function is differentiable in open bracket a comma b. Third condition, value of fa equal to fb, where f dash c, where f dash c equal to 0, where c belonging to a comma b. So fa equal to fb, okay, ln a divided by a, ln b divided by b. Then we take cross multiply. B ln a equal to a ln b. Okay, ln a की power b, ln b की power a. Okay. So it will become a की power b, b की power a. Here function is given fx equal to ln x upon x. When we differentiate fx upon gx, f dash x, we know the formula na, gx f dash x minus fx g dash x divided by gx whole square. So using this, that it will give 1 minus ln x divided by x square f dash x. F dash x is 0 at x equal to e. X equal to e, f dash x equal to 0. Now we check hit and trial method. For value of function f equal to fb, for a equal to 2, ln 2 divided by 2, for for b equal to 4, ln 4 divided by 4, it will become ln 2 by 2. So value of function f equal to fb, it's satisfied. So using hit and trial, a square plus b square, a is 2, 2 2 की power 2, 4, b 4, 4 power 4, 16, 16 plus 4 equal to 20. So option A is correct. If we check for 25, for 25, suppose A is 1, 1 square and B is root 24. But B will have, B is an integer, here B is not integer, so this is not possible. For option C, 45. Suppose we take a equal to 1, 1 square and b equal to root 44. This is also not possible because this is not integer, not. So option C is not possible. Option B is not possible. Option C is not possible after taking hit and trial method. Now we check for option D. A is 1 and B is 3. Yeah, both are integer, but we check value fa and fb. ln 1 upon 1 not equal to ln 3 upon 3. So this is not possible. So option D is also not possible. Only option A is possible. First condition, fx is continuous in a comma b. Second condition, fx is differentiable in a comma b. And third is value of function fa equal to fb, where f dash c equal to 0 and c belonging to a comma b.
So we check FA equal to FB ln A upon A ln B upon B. Here cross multiply B ln A equal to A ln B. ln A power B equal to ln B power A power B and B power A. And now we check hit and trial after finding for A equal to T, B 2 and B equal to 4. Here FA equal to FB is possible. So A square plus B square, here A square is 4 and B square is 16. So 4 plus 16 will become 20. So option A is correct, and after checking option B, option C, option D, all are wrong. So final answer is option A. This is all the topic of Rolle's theorem, and we finished. Thank you.